Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies out of hot chocolate mix full guide. Preheat your oven and gather hot chocolate mix, flour, butter, eggs, and a pinch of salt before you start mixing. Melt butter and stir in hot chocolate mix, sugar if needed, and eggs, then fold in flour gently. Pour batter into a lined pan, bake until a toothpick shows moist crumbs, cool slightly, and slice to serve warm. Start by selecting quality hot chocolate mix and measuring everything precisely for reliable results. Warm ingredients combine more smoothly, so bring eggs to room temperature and let melted butter cool slightly before mixing. Optional extras like chopped nuts, chocolate chips, or a spoonful of espresso powder can deepen flavor without complicating the recipe. Taste the batter cautiously, adjust sweetness if needed. Set your oven to a steady temperature and monitor brownies closely for your desired texture. Fudgy results come from slightly under-baking and keeping batter dense, while cakey brownies need more lift from extra flour or longer baking. Swirl in cream cheese or peanut butter for marbled variations, or sprinkle sea salt on top to balance sweetness. Let brownies cool enough to set, then cut with a warm knife for neat slices and pleasing presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.